Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today we are going to start with the new chapter, chapter 5, formatting in Word 2016. So we very well know how to make documents in Word 2016. Now we'll see how to make our document look effective and appealing. So doing this is known as formatting. So we'll learn how to format our Word document. So let's begin with selecting text, selecting fonts, changing text to WordArt, changing text case, superscript and subscript, checking spellings and grammar errors, using Thesaurus, applying bullets and numbering, keyboard shortcut keys. Let's just start the chapter.
I have to format my Word document. Formatting is the fine art of making the documents effective and attractive. Good formatting distinguishes different parts of the text and helps readers take in the message. Formatting can be applied to every element of the document, from a single character to entire paragraph. Body text needs to be readable and easy on the eyes. Headings should be big and bold, and they should also be consistent throughout the document. Important words need to resonate with emphasis. Quotes and references should be set off from the other text. Selecting text. Click and drag with the mouse. Double-click a word to select the word. Triple-click in a paragraph to select the paragraph. Click and drag in the document's selection area in the left margin. Selecting fonts. In Word 2016, the default font style and font size is category 11. If you usually use a different font style and font size in the documents, you can change the defaults. That is why every new document you create will use the preferred font style and font size. The font group is located on the Home tab. The most commonly used commands in the font group are 1. Font, choose between a wide selection of fonts. 2. Font size, change the size of the text. 3. Bold, bold the text. 4. Italic, italicize the text. 5. Underline, underline the text. 6. Strike through the text. 7. Text highlight color, highlight the text. 8. Font color, change the color of the text. 9. Clear all formatting. Clear all formatting in the selection and return the text to its default. Changing text to WordArt. Select the text to convert to WordArt. From the Insert tab in the text group, select WordArt. Select an option from the drop-down list. Changing text case. Select the text for which you want to change the case. Go to Home tab and click on the Change Case. To capitalize the first letter of a sentence and leave all other letters as lowercase, click Sentence Case. To exclude capital letters from the text, click lowercase. To capitalize all of the letters, click uppercase. To capitalize the first letter of each word and leave the other letters lowercase, click Capitalize each word. To shift between two case views, click Toggle Case. Superscript and Subscript. Select the character that you want to format as superscript or subscript. On the Home tab, in the Font group, pick the Font dialog box launcher. On the Font tab, under Effects, select the Superscript or Subscript checkbox, checking spelling and grammar errors. From the Proofing group on the Review tab, select Spelling and Grammar. Word 2016 will look for spelling and grammar errors starting from the location of the cursor in the document. If Word finds a spelling error, a navigation pane similar to the one here will appear. If Word 2016 finds a grammar error, a dialog box similar to the one below will appear. Using Thesaurus, click the word in the document that you want to look up. On the Review tab, click Thesaurus. To use one of the words in the list of results or to search for more words, do one of the following. To replace the selected word with one of the words from the list, point to it, click the down arrow, then click Insert. To copy and paste a word from the list, point to it, click the down arrow, then click Copy. You can then paste the word anywhere you like. To look up additional related words, click a word in the list of results. Applying bullets, select the text. Click on the bullets button in the paragraph group in the Home tab. From the bullet library menu, choose a bullet design, and the new bullet design will appear at the cursor location. The text is bulleted and the indents are automatically adjusted to separate the text from the bullets. Keyboard shortcut keys. Keyboard shortcuts allow to perform actions using only the keyboard that otherwise we would perform with the mouse. Many people find that using the keyboard is faster than using the mouse because their hands are already positioned on the keyboard if they are typing the text.